Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off Reels made for you on Instagram Lite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram Lite app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings. Next tap on notifications. Then tap on live and reels. Then scroll until you find Reels made for you. After that, you can see the option of off. Tap on it. So this is how you can turn off Reels made for you on Instagram Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.